Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm just going to be doing an eyeshadow look based off of the Colourpop Yes Please palette that I used in my last video, which this is actually being filmed on the same day. I already have my base makeup done, so please keep watching if you want to see how I'm going to get my eyeshadow look. The Yes Please Colourpop palette. Once again, it just looks like this. Super pretty. I'm just going to be taking the shade Champs. And this is pretty close to my skin color, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the eye. Yeah, you can't really see it. Like in the mirror I can see it a little bit because it's a little more peach than my color, but for the most part you don't really see it. Once I build it up you'll probably be able to see it a bit better. There's a little bit of kickback up in the pan. If that bothers anybody, that personally doesn't bother me, but I know it bothers some people. Yeah, once I build this shade up, you can see it. It's like a really nice peachy pinky color. And all the products that I use in this video that I don't apply in the video, I'll have listed below in the description box. Now I'm going to take the shade Big Cocktails and place it in my crease as well. I'm still going to be going in with the shade Big Cocktails just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm just going to be taking the shade GNO now, and I'm going to be placing that in the crease a little bit lower than the other two shades. And now I'm just going to go back in with this brush that I used for Big Cocktails and just blend the colors together. Just like that. I'm going to be now taking the shade French Kiss and putting that on the outer V of my eye to deepen it up. I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera for French Kiss. So I'm going to do this one on camera with French Kiss and this one off. So I have both eyes done, and I'm just going to be going in now with the shade Louis, and I'm going to be packing that all on my lid here. Okay. Wow, that is not pigmented at all. And I wet my brush. Let me try to go in again. Here we go. There, now you see the color. So you definitely have to go in a few times with this color to get it to pay off. And there's a bit of fallout, but I can just wipe that away with my powder brush. Just like that. So I'm just gonna spritz my brush and go in on the other eye. You know what I think it was? I think you just needed to scrape that first layer off of the shadow. And I'm looking this way because that's where my mirror is. I'm sorry I'm so like up in the camera. I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Going with this brush and blend the crease all together. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with the shade Mischief throughout the whole lash line. I'm only going to be doing one eye on camera, and I'm going to do the other eye off camera. I think I'm gonna try to spray the brush. I know it's a matte, but okay. So same thing with the yellow shade as the top shade. Like the color is there, but you have to build it up to get it to the color you want. And I guess that's like pretty decent because maybe some people don't want like such a bright yellow, but I'm going for like a really bright yellow right now, so I'm gonna see if I can build it up to that. Sorry. I'm gonna be using the Kush mascara. That's just my dog, but I'm gonna be using the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. And I'm gonna apply my falsies off camera and my bottom mascara off camera. This is the finished look, and I'm actually so happy with it. I think it's so pretty. I think the pop of yellow just like pulls the look together. It's something I've never done before, and I'm actually really happy with it. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll be back with another video.